Hi! Did you know? Cairo, Egypt is recycling and reusing as much as 85% of all the waste they collect. This surpasses Western with only 70% efficiency. How did Cairo manage to achieve that? And how can you replicate it in your homes, classrooms, and school? Well, ask no more because I'm here to help you start your successful recycling program. The answer: the 5 E's of successful solid waste management. Education. Egypt actually requires its students to study subjects about the environment and how to take care for it. Education and awareness on our environment and ways how to preserve it is very important in the success of an SWM program. Engineering. Garbage collectors actually established a community revolving around garbage collecting and recycling. They collected trash all over Cairo and is eventually turned into quilts, rugs, pots, paper, livestock food, and other recycled plastic products. Here is a suggestion on how you make a recycle bin that is cheap and easy to assemble.
The materials used for this project are coated screens, nylon cable ties, and pliers. First step: cut the screen in your desired dimensions. Second, connect the sides using the nylon cable ties to the base of the bin. Attach the edges using the cable ties. Tighten all the cable ties to ensure that the bin is stable. Last step: cut all the excess cable ties. Now you have your own recycling bin.
You can also create divisions in the bin to add other recyclables such as papers or cans. You may want to repurpose the plastic bottles you collected and create a plastic bottle garden, easy to make and saves water too.
For this project, we will need plastic bottles, a cutter, a marker, and a plant. First step: mark the area of the bottle that needs to be cut. Second, make a hole on the cap of the bottle to allow the water to pass through. Third, invert the upper part of the bottle and put it inside the lower part. Lastly, place the soil and the plant inside the container. There you have it, your plastic bottle planting technique.
Environmental organization. The garbage collectors are also known as Zabaline, literally meaning garbage people. They were originally from Upper Egypt. These people have a complex informal structure from collectors, segregators. Your environmental organization could be your immediate family, your classmates and class officers, or even your school government or organization. These are people that work hand in hand to ensure your recycling project works. Equity. You know what they say, may pera sa basura. Plastic bottles, cans, and papers can be resold at junk shops. This could add to your household income, classroom funds, or your school organization's funds for other projects. Enforcement. This may be the weakest point for the SWM model of Cairo as it heavily depends on the informal sector. This might negatively affect them in the long term. However, steps by the government to promulgate policies to formalize the Zabaleen community's effort is a positive sign. In enforcing your recycling program, you might need someone to enforce it. It could be anyone from your family, your class president, your teacher, or a committee in your school organization. Remember, good policies need enforcement for your project to work. Traders and buyers of recycled waste. Always remember in the 5 E's of successful SWM in creating your SWM program: education, engineering, environmental organization, equity, and enforcement. Happy recycling!